Hello 11th class. This is your lecture number 3 from your chapter list manipulations. So in the previous class you know that how to create list, how to access list, what is eval function. Okay. So in this class you will learn about list operations. So there are three operations, that is joining list, replicating list, slicing list. So list operations: joining list, replicating list and the slicing list. These three are the operations that we perform on the list. Now we will discuss each one by one. So the first one is the joining list. So joining two lists is very easy, just like you perform any addition. So in this we use the plus operator for joining two lists. For example, in this you have list 1. This is 1, 3, 5, list 2, 6, 7, 8, then list 1 plus list 2. Then it will give you a combined list of 1, 3, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, so when you use this, or you can also say concatenate it, so it will give you the element of both the list. Okay, and it will form you a new list. Now next is the plus operator when used with list requires that both the operand must be of list type. You cannot add a number or any other value to a list. Okay, so it is your duty that you have to ensure that the list require that the list just hold the operands of list type only. Okay, it will not add any number. If you add any number, then it will give you the error. For example, there is a following expression that will result into error. If you want to add list with number, then list plus complex numbers, then list plus string. Okay, if you want to try this, then it will give you the error. Okay, and how it will give you the error, I am showing you. So in this, if you will write L1 is equal to 1, 3, 4 and L2 is equal to 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, and you want to L1 plus L2. You want to add these. So it will give you the list, combined list of L1 and L2. Okay. If L3 is holding 10, 12, 13 and you want to add L3 plus 2, then it will give you error that can only concatenate list, not int to list. Okay, so this int cannot be added with this list. One more thing, if you want to add any string in it, then again it will give you the error that can only concatenate list, not str to list. Okay, so you have to see the error and then after seeing the error you have to rectify it. So if you want to add this string and the integer value to a list, then it will give you the error. Now next is repeating or the replicating list. So like strings, you can use the asterisk operator to replicate a list specified number of times. So the example is list 1 is 1, 2, 3. List 1 multiply by 2. So it will give you the list 2 times. Okay, so this is list replicating. Now see, if you will write list 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. And you want to multiply this list 1 multiply by 2. Okay, then it will give you the list 2 times. This is your string replicating. Now next is your slicing the list. So as we had studied in string about slicing the string, the same way we slice the list. So list slices are the sub part of a list extracted out. We can use indexes of list elements to create list slices. So here is the syntax. This list name, start and end, from start index to end minus 1 index. So here is the example. This will hold the list of the elements. Then you have to print well 0 to 3. Then it will give you 0, 1, 2 only. Okay, because it will start from 1 to n minus 1. Now 3 to 8. Now it will start from 3. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 to 7. Now this well 2 is equal to well 2 to minus 2. Okay, so this is a slicing. It will starts with positive 2, 0, 1, 2. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 100. So 30 to 100 it will give you. Now next is well 2, 0 to last position. So it will give you the complete list. Now next is step slicing in list. So in step slicing list you have the three attributes, that is start, stop and step. So here this is a list and you want to step the value by 2. So it will start from 0 to 8 by step value 2. So it will give you first 10, then 30, 1, then 3, then 200. Okay. Now see the example. For example, your list is this one: 10, 12, 14, 15. Okay, this is your list. So you have to use a string list slicing. So you have to use list. Then what is the answer of this? You have to check it yourself. Then see 3. So this is a 0, 1, 2 and 3. 3 to minus 3, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So it will start with 0, 1, 16 to 26. 16 to 44 to minus 3. Okay, it will give you the answer minus 1, then it will give increase the value, that is minus 4. That's why the result is this. Okay, next is if you will write list minus 4 then what will happen? It will give you the list minus 4 till last element. Okay, so I hope these are clear now. Okay, one more thing, step value is also left. So you have to write list, for example 2, 10 and then 3 value step. So it will give you the answer, starts from 2, 0, 1, 2, 14, then 3, 3 value, 1, 2, 3, then it will give you 22, then again 1, 2, 3, it will give you 26. Okay, so this is the step value. Okay, one more thing, if you will write L, then start value is blank, last value is blank and the step value is 2. So the answer is this one. It will start from 0 to last by step value 2. Now next is this is list. If you start the value 5 then and step value is 2. So it will start the list at 5th index and it will print the value by 2 to by the gap of 2 values. Now again one more thing, the list, and if you will write the step value with minus 1, so it will just reverse the list. You can see this. Okay, the same thing is in string also. So if you will write this thing and -1 is a step value, so it will give you the reverse of the list. Okay, so these are the example of string slicing. Now next is using slices for list modification. So here we can use slices to overwrite one or more list elements with one or more other elements. The example is L is 1, 2, 3, L 0, 2. So the index from 0 to 1, it will replace with 0 and 1. And when you want to print it, then it will give you, it will replace 1 with 0, 2 with 1, and 3 is same as it is. Okay, just see here, this L is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then 0, 2. Okay, string slicing, you want to replace it with 0 and 1. Okay, list indices must be integers or slices, not tuple. So what is wrong in it? This is the line 1. This is 0 to 2 is equal to 0 and 1. Okay, this is the, here is the error. Do not use it. Okay, you are just now print the L value, so it will replace 1 with 0 and 2 with 1. Okay, one more thing, if you will write L 0, 2 with any string, then print the value of L, so it will give you the result A and 3. Now you can see the value of 0 is 1 and 1 is 2. So you are replacing the value of 0 and 1 with A. Okay, that's why it will give you only A, because here only one value is passed. So I hope it is clear now. Now next is your homework. So you have to revise the classwork, make notes, and do practice of these Python examples. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.